Hello, boys and girls. Good morning, boys and girls. Well, it's morning for me. Maybe not for you. Hi, this is Ted, and this is Ride with Ted. Man, oh man, it's been a while. I know, I'm sorry, but things have been happening. I've been away, been doing stuff. But this is a short video. The purpose of this video is today I'm dropping off sugar over at Beach House Harley Davidson. They're going to give it a checkup. Make sure everything's all good and fine and dandy. And this is for my upcoming trip to the Keys. Oh, it feels so good to ride. It's been weeks. It's honestly been weeks since I've been on the bike. Oh, this feels so good. It's a little brisk this morning. It's like 52 degrees, but it's gorgeous. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so very good. Whew. Looking forward to that ride to the Keys. That's going to be a crap load of fun. But anyway, so just briefly let you know what's going on with the sale of the ranch, our property upstate New York. It's all the paperwork is signed. Everything is ready to roll. I cleaned out the house. I was there for an entire week. I cleaned out the house. I filled the 30-yard dumpster with debris, construction debris that I had around the house. That's all cleaned up. And the approach to retirement from the workforce is coming faster. And if you are ready for this, brace yourselves, boys and girls. You ready? Reservations have been made for Sturgis 2023. That's right, boys and girls. I have reservations at a hotel. Actually, I have two reservations. I have a reservation for a hotel and a reservation for a timeshare. We own a timeshare, and we did an exchange. And if it's available, I will get the timeshare. Now, both the hotel and the timeshare are 30 minutes out of Sturgis, which is fine. That's okay. But the point being is, reservations have been made, and we're excited to go. So plans are being made. I'm messing with the route right now and which way to go. Yep, so that's it. We're going to Sturgis. Well, that's that. But more exciting, I think, is the well, like I said, the sale of the property is the big deal. All that's happening. It's moving. So the plans are proceeding forward. Sugar's going to get some upgrades, but I'm not spending any money just yet. You know, you have to wait for all the hoopla to happen, and then that's it. But aside from that, everything else is cool. You know, we're doing stuff, making plans, and that's all good. As you can see, I don't have the other GoPro up today. Gorgeous morning. Wow. I know the channel's been kind of stagnant. Well, that's all because I haven't really been producing any videos, but things are, oh, that's good. Things are going to change. You watch. Things are going to change. I'll be making videos like a mad dog, man. Holy crap. Working on some music that I can throw into the videos. I'm gonna tell you a little something about the trip to the Keys. I'm riding straight through. This isn't a ride a little bit, stay over, and then continue. No. This is straight through. This is going to be 13 hours on the bike, baby. That's right. It's about 760 miles. So, yeah. One straight shot right through. I'm going to depart my house at 6 a.m., 5:30, 6 a.m. And hopefully I'm arriving at our destination by the same time that evening, by 6 p.m. Hopefully by 6 p.m. I am at the resort, the timeshare that it is. Which would be freaking awesome. I think my thermometer is wrong. It is not 90 degrees. I guess because it's in the sun. But it is 9:04. I might put the chin skirt on the helmet. Oh, we'll see. I don't know. Yeah, put the chin skirt on the helmet. It'll keep the chilly morning breeze out. It's supposed to be something in the area of like 50 degrees when I depart on Friday. Which is a tad on the chilly side. So, you know, because then it means at 70 miles per hour, I'm looking at probably an order of 40 degrees. Bike will be fully laden. I'll have my tour pack on. And that's it, boys and girls. Guess that's it. Alright, boys and girls, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Toodaloo, wait. Yeah? Okay.
Meanwhile, the weather forecast said nothing at all about rain the entire trip. None. No rain at all. Squat. Partly sunny the entire way. I really honestly think these clowns make this crap up as they go along.